What is this called? Dog. What is this called? Cat. What is this called? Elephant. What is this called? Lion. What is this called? Tiger. What is this called? Monkey. What is this called? Bear. What is this called? Cow. What is this called? Sheep. What is this called? Horse. What is this called? Rabbit. What is this called? Zebra. What is this called? Giraffe. What is this called? Pig. What is this called? Duck. How many did you know? Write in the comments. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.